Hello family, if you want to know how I prepare this my delicious Nigerian okra soup, so follow me to the end of this video so that you will see how I prepare my okra soup. Here is my meat. I've already sliced my meat and onions inside. The meat I've already been inside the pot, so I'll be preparing the meat first. I'll parboil the meat so that before I'll put everything inside. Here is my meat on the fire. The meat I've boiled already. Here is my red oil, and I also have fresh pepper. Here is my okra, and here is my vegetable leaf. I also have my fresh fish. Here is also my crayfish, blended crayfish. So everything I've said already. Then I will be showing you how to apply everything one by one. So if you want to know how everything works, follow me to the end. I'll pour my fresh pepper inside the meat. You have to put your oil inside. After pouring your oil inside, you have to leave the oil and fresh pepper to boil together at the same time. Try to scrub everything together and leave it for some minutes. The fresh pepper and the red oil have boiled together. Then the next thing I will be doing, I will be putting my fish inside so that it will boil at the same time with the fresh pepper and the red oil. The next thing I will be doing, I'll be putting my vegetable. I'll be adding my vegetable to the meat. You have to screw it very well. Wow, can you see this, guys? It's already look delicious. The next thing I'll be doing, I'll be putting my okra inside the vegetable and the meat. So you have to mix everything together so that it will not get burnt. As you can see, I'm mixing mine already. Now I will be adding my salt. I know some people will be thinking that the salt I'm using in my soup is too much. No, the salt is okay by me. I will be adding my salt now. The next thing I'll be putting my Maggi cube. I use only one Maggi cube because of the soup. Adding my crayfish. You have to let it done together at the same time. Then I will be closing the soup and give it some minutes to boil. Here is the soup, the look of the soup. So I'll be screwing it together. Guys, how do you say about this soup? How do you say? What do you think about this delicious okra soup? Oh wow, I can't wait to have this. Here is my delicious okra soup. The soup is ready now. I will be making my swallow. Here is my hot water. The water has already boiled, so I'm putting my semo inside. I'll be turning my semo just step by step. You can see I'm turning my semo right now. So you have to put some water in the fire, on the fire. You let it boil first. After boiling, you have to turn it some more inside. Turn it very well so that it will not have some seed. After turning the salmon, you have to put some water inside and leave it for some minutes to done very well so that you will not get purge. You leave it for some minutes so that it will boil like for 3 minutes. This is my okra soup and my salmon. This is how it look like. Thanks for watching. God bless you, and never forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, as you do. Bye. I love you guys.